This is the visual assembly guide for SIPI's RoadRunner 5 kit. Before you begin building, please take a moment to look over the inventory checklist on page 2 of the assembly manual. As the build progresses, feel free to pause and refer back to the assembly manual to correctly complete each step. Start by inserting the marble into the frame. Next, line up the servos with the mount and secure them with screws and nuts. Place the standoffs on top of the frame. Use hot glue to hold them down. Secure the Arduino to the standoffs using 3 screws as shown. Assemble the sensor case by placing the ultrasonic sensor inside and covering it with the lid. Place the case into the slot at the front of the frame and use hot glue to hold it down. Place the L-shaped pillar into the slot at the back of the frame and use a screw to secure it. Install the 2 pillars into their slots at the front of the frame as shown. Next, put a hex nut into the slot on each pillar and secure from the bottom with a screw. After securing the pillars, peel the tape from the bottom of the breadboard and stick it into the back of the frame. Next, press the switch into the rectangular hole on the side of the frame. At this point, follow the instructions in the manual or on the website to perform the soldering portion of this project. Continue with the build video after the soldering is complete. Use Velcro to stick the battery to the bottom of the frame. Lastly, secure the wheels and snap on the top platform as shown. Congratulations, your RoadRunner 5 is now complete.